Did you guys post this on the Discord or where did you guys post this?
Okay. Can you still see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. I need a brandy. Okay. Shall we quickly do that? That baby here, yeah? 100 milliliter of a 0.1 molar glucose solution. Glucose 180 gram per mole. And I want to know how many grams do I need?
Just go back to having the fucking notification.
How many grams? Oh. So, what is the unit that I'm looking for?
Grams.
Grams.
Grams, absolutely right. So we've got grams here. I'll put that down. Do we have grams anywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
The 180.
180. So I write it as 180 grams per mole. That's the molecular weight. And look at that. The grams are in the right position. So I want the grams like that. Fantastic. So now I need to get rid of the mole down here. Do we have mole anywhere? The unit mole?
Yeah.
Where?
0.1 molar.
0.1.
Ah, absolutely right. So we've got 0.1, and I write this as mole per liter, right? Because that is what this capital M indicates. That's the capital M. So I write it like that. So 0.1 mole per liter. And what you see is what happens to the moles.
They cancel
They
out.
cancel out.
Exactly. So the moles cancel. Moles are gone. Hasta la vista. But now I created another problem because I've got the liters here. Now, can I multiply it with something so that the liters cancel out?
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
I have liters anywhere? Where?
Yeah.
100 milliliters.
Absolutely right. So I've got 100 times, and I've got a milli, be careful. We have 100 times 10 to the minus 3 liter. Yeah, that's the 10 to the minus 3 is the milli. Now the liters, what happens to the liters?
They cancel
They
each other.
cancel out.
They cancel out.
Hey, cool. What is the unit that I have left?
Grams. Grams.
Do I have anything else left in
Nope.
terms of units?
Yeah, the milli.
No, I don't have anything else.
No,
So
that's
I
grams.
have grams left, and I wanted grams, so I can stop now. So what I've got is grams, 180 gram times 0.1 times 100 times 10 to the minus 3. And I just simply put that into a calculator, or I can do it in my head. And that gives me 1.8 grams. So in order to make this solution, 100 milliliter of a 0.1 molar glucose solution, I need to take 1.8 grams, 1.8 grams, and add water so that it will be 100 milliliter. And then I have 100 milliliter, which contain 0.1 mole per liter. And you see, with this dimensional analysis, I don't have to do any equations or anything like that. It's absolutely straightforward. And with a triangle method, you would have to use two triangles. You would have to calculate first how many moles you want, and then you would need to convert the moles into grams. So with the triangle method, you have to use two triangles, whereas with the dimensional analysis, I just do it in one go. Does it make sense?
So I have a question.
Yep.
So you said water can be like converted into grams as well. So like 100 milliliters can be 100 grams. So
Yep.
wouldn't the end mass be like 101.8 instead of 100?
Sorry, say again? I didn't get the last bit.
Wouldn't the end mass be 101.8 instead of 100?
No, you don't need to worry about the water in this case.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Don't need to worry about it. And I've got another question for you guys. What is the concentration? What is the concentration of water? What is the concentration of water?
Just pure water.
Pure water. What's the concentration of pure water? Shall I tell you what?
Oh, wait, sorry, is it 1?
Nope, it's not 1. This is one of my favorite exam questions because it tells me whether a student understood. And I'll tell you something else. I'm not going to tell you today. This is something that we are going to discuss next week.
Doesn't it depend on the volume of the
I
water?
got 55 point. Oh, okay. So
You Googled it.
no. I didn't Google it. No.
Well, so we will discuss that next week. But this is sort of a cliffhanger. And we will then, concentration is not 0.
Yeah, if you do
Not
the right
25.
calculation and check the
Wait, so
the quantum physics.
isn't it like water related? I mean, shit.
Okay.
Like the concentration is related to the water.
The concentration is water. Pure water, what is the concentration of pure water?
From
Little
my
hint,
calculations,
how many moles of water do you have in a liter? And with that, I stop the recording and we have another session from 5 to 6 in BI308 about nucleotides. And I'll give teams another chance. I don't want to go down the route of Discord servers. So I'll send out the link in a minute, but you have got the invitation anyway. Thank you very much for working with me, for bearing up with all the crap. And I shall see you in 2 hours' time. I need a very strong alcoholic drink now. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir.
See ya, you legend.
No, Clapper's a legend.
I love this guy.
He'll have a strong alcoholic drink.
He's gonna be